Homemade fertilizer with molasses Epsom salt. Molasses is a popular homemade fertilizer ingredient containing nitrogen, potassium and other trace minerals. The sugary substance also stimulates existing bacteria in the soil. Epsom salt can increase the plant's root health and production of vibrantly colored flowers. Gardeners can easily combine these two ingredients into a homemade fertilizer. Things you will need: watering can, 2 gallons water, wooden spoon. Fill a large watering can with 2 gallons of water. Add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt and 2 tablespoons of liquid molasses. Stir the mixture with a wooden spoon until the salt and syrup dissolve. Pour a quarter of the container around the base of each plant you want to fertilize. Water the plant with a garden hose until the fertilizer soaks in and the soil settles.